Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be creating a spread in my journal, which is called Fleur. It is a classic size happy planner, and we're going to be doing it for the week of November 6th through the 12th. And I'm going to be using sticker book called Autumn Days by Cassathetic Plans, and some stickers from Red Lyrics, possibly. I don't know yet, so give me a second and we'll figure it out together. If this is your first time joining me, welcome, welcome, welcome. I hope you like my channel. And if you do, don't forget to subscribe. If you have been here before and you're coming back to spend more time with me, thank you so much, and I'm so glad you're here. So, Autumn Days is such a beautiful sticker book. I wanted to use the bridge in it to create kind of a fall centerpiece in my planner, and that's exactly what I'm going to be doing right now. So I'm removing the lines with my correction tape. That is mostly because these stickers are clear. That means anything will show through them. They're also quite large, so I wanted to make sure that a big area of it is covered. So when I place the sticker, the bridge is not cut with a line or anything like that. So you can watch the effect with me as I place it down. There we go. That worked out. Okay, so now my big centerpiece is down. I think I'm gonna use a couple of these red lyric stickers, mostly because look how well they match with the walk and stuff like that. So it does feel like an autumn walk with the bridge and the leaves. The vibe is very similar, and that's exactly what I wanted. So again, this is my journal, meaning there is no rhyme or reason how I place stickers. I don't have a designated writing space. I just write all around as I go through the motion. So that's kind of how my journal works. I think I mentioned in my last video that I believe I'm going to be changing to a more free, even a more freestyle with a bullet journal next year. Let me know if you guys want to see a bullet journal haul. I ended up buying about 10 different bullet journals, trying to figure out which one I want to use for my journal based on paper thickness, based on paper color, based on the covers, like all of it. So that's what I'm doing. I did grab a washi tape just now to match the spread, and of course my lovely washi cutter from Live Love Posh. So I'm doing that just now, and I place a long strip right underneath, but I want to kind of line it up with the line and not go over. Not sure why, it's just what I want to do today, so it's exactly what I'm gonna do. We're gonna put that aside, and now I'm gonna play with the rest of the stickers before proceeding on. Look how beautiful these are, like with all the leaves and everything. It's just so gorgeous. I hate that fall gets colder. However, the beauty in colors is absolutely unmatched, right? You get all of the warm, like fall leaves and colors. So you get oranges and reds and yellows and even some greens. So everything is just so artistic, you guys. It's like Mother Nature became an artist, and that's what she decided to do. So they're gorgeous. They're absolutely stunning. I'm adding more trees around this little dog walk. Mine absolutely loves rolling in leaves. So I'm gonna give them a lot of trees so then soon enough he can walk through the leaves. Okay. Next up, I'm gonna add a pile, like I said, for the little puppy, but without a lot of trees, you can't have a lot of leaves. So I'm gonna give him a big pile. Look how happy he is. There we go. Yeah, that looks gorgeous. And yes, the colors are not as vibrant as the rest of the stickers, but I think it kind of frames it really well. Let me know what you guys think. I think that works out somehow. Okay, what should I do next? Ugh, this is so hard sometimes. Should I add more trees? Should I not add more trees? Okay, I'm gonna add some leaves and go from there. Usually that's like the easiest thing for me, to start with little bits and pieces and fill it in. The filling in part is so hard sometimes because like you need tiny little things to finish the spread and you don't know where to go or how to get it. So I do need some boxes. I really enjoy writing within boxes, especially when it is a thicker pen. Like I tend to put a little thicker words here and there, and those do seep through the back of the page. So I do prefer to write in boxes if possible. So I'm gonna add quite a few boxes here, kind of play with layouts before I continue decorating. So I'm gonna add the reds, the oranges, the yellows, and just play with the fall colors. Remember that these big boxes can go both vertically and horizontally to create a fun effect, just like that. The large boxes are probably the boxes that I use the least, to be honest. It is so hard because I love my tiny little boxes so much that I need to come up with a little bit more of a creative ideas of how to use more of them. So I'm gonna be adding strips, or like, I don't even know, they're not strips, they're like little dabs of washi throughout my spread to kind of finish it off. All of these boxes are going to be held by it, and I think that's good. I don't know if I want it there because it's distracting from the image, but I will put it on top like so, and then I'll put another one right there. Hopefully that will work. Looks like it does. And now I can play with a little bit more on this side. I know that I want to do the washi and kind of play with the strips. That's going to be easier to layer because then I know I can connect them with that. Do you guys enjoy layering, or do you prefer to kind of do it one by one, not touching, or touching but only side to side, not on top of each other? Let me know what is your preference, because I've been loving layering. I think it is so much fun doing that. And the spreads are so different, especially when I mix multiple books and create kind of unique effects. At least for me, that makes me the happiest. So look at that leaf. I'm going to be adding some more leaves throughout to fill in some of the spaces, the smaller spaces that I want something in the middle. So I'm going to work on that as well. And then I'm just adding those little dabs of washi throughout to bring it all together. They're so tiny, I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna add a larger strip on the top to kind of balance out the other side, because as you can see, I did a big strip on the other side, and I think it would be kind of not balanced if I don't add a larger piece to the other side. It doesn't have to be as long or anything like that. It just, I want a piece in here. I think that works out with the top and the bottom. I don't have that much to go because I do want to leave some room to write, I believe. I think, right? So funny. I'm going to add this girl with the coffee, maybe right on the top. I do love my coffee, so let's add her. And then I'm going to go ahead and create more of even a more fall vibe with more leaves. So bear with me as I put them in. The spread is almost done. Like, I just need to add elements to finish it up, and I think it's gonna be super cute. I am planning to write around these leaves to kind of create a even more aesthetic effect, right? Because it's a little different. I think I want to use these birds, you guys. Like, the sky is a little empty, so let's add these. They're flying away. There we go. Yep, that works. That worked out really well. Okay, just a few more little elements and we should be all done. I'm gonna add a box horizontally to this like so. It's gonna serve a journaling purpose. Once again, I really do enjoy these. If you stayed till the end of this video, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really, really appreciate you. I am so excited that you are here and still hanging out with me. I'm just gonna add a couple more dabs of that washi. Let me know what you think of this washi too. If you think it's kind of a match or not really. I mean, I could have just done orange, but I thought with the polka dots, it's a little bit different and it adds like a different layer and a dimension. I don't know what you guys think, but let me know. I'm always super, super curious. I don't know if I should add a tree next to here on Sunday or not, but I don't know. So I'm just gonna add some leaves and see where it goes. Okay, I am all done for now. Let me know what you think of the spread. It is so full and I am loving it. I can't wait to hear from you guys, and I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Thanks for hanging out with me. Bye.